Hi, and welcome to Lesson 4 of Tipping for WooCommerce Reports Analytics. In this video about tipping for the WooCommerce plugin, we will learn how to see the growth of your tips. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Reports. Now, at the bottom, you will see total amount of tips and orders with a tip. The total amount of tips displays the sum of all tips earned. Orders with a tip counts how many customers tipped. You can use this to check daily, monthly, or weekly performance. For deeper insights, go to Analytics and click on Tips. Trends show if tips are increasing or decreasing over time. Peak hours reveal when customers tip most. Contributions track the total impact of tips on revenue. These charts help you spot opportunities to earn more. That's it. You can use this data to reward staff when tips are high, run promotions during slow periods, and measure your tipping success. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleeker Digital.